In this video, we will learn how to create Google Form. So let's start. This is my Google Drive. If you want to create Google Form, just click on this plus sign. Here you see the option Google Forms. So when you click on this arrow, you get the three options: blank form, blank queues, and from a template. You can use as per your requirement. There is a second way. Just add the new tab. Here you enter form.google.com and just click on it. Here you can see the home page of the Google Forms is open here, blank page and other template also. If you want to see the all template, just click on this arrow. You can see all template, and those you want, you can select it. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.